Hello everybody, this is Maheen Tahir back on your screens. I hope you all are doing great and staying safe at your places. Guys, this video I'm gonna make about something really important and in my opinion should be addressed. ये वीडियो मैं इंग्लिश में बनाऊंगी because ये वीडियो उर्दू स्पीकिंग लोगों के लिए नहीं है. Okay, so a few days back I was talking to a couple of friends who live outside of Pakistan, and not just in one country but a couple of countries, and they told me about how people in their countries consider Pakistan what it isn't, and in any way people across the borders consider our country as a country full of terrorism, as a very unsafe, unpleasant and a very dirty kind of country. So when I was talking to my friends, I got to know so many things that they get to hear from people around them about Pakistan and how people live here. I was really hurt. And that drove me back to when I was in 5th grade. A friend of mine who belonged to England told me that she and her parents were terrified of coming to Pakistan. And I exactly knew why she said that, even at such a young age. And this all forced me to think upon what people exactly think of us. Maybe we live in slums, we don't get clean water, this is how we travel. These kind of activities are our only recreational activities, and that there are piles of garbage all around us. Well, that, my dear friends, is not true. Now I will show you what Pakistan really is. Okay, so it's true that Pakistan has been a victim of terrorism for many years, but we're the only country who fought back the terrorists comprehensively. Whereas just across the border in Afghanistan, a coalition of 42 countries headed by America fought for 20 years and now they're begging us for face-saving exit. These 42 countries have the latest gadgets and weaponry in the world. So we claim with proof that Pakistan has the world's #1 army, intelligence and air force. Beyond doubt, second to none. Pakistan has one of the best missile defense systems in the world. Out of 50 Muslim countries in the world, Pakistan is the first and the only nuclear power state. Now talking about the landscapes. Geographically, Pakistan is a profound blend of landscapes. From plains to deserts, forests to plateaus, snow-capped mountains to tremendously beautiful lush green valleys. We have the most beautiful tourist resorts. A coastline of 990 kilometers in the south to the breathtaking mountains of Himalayas, Karakoram and Hindu Kush in the north, we have it all. In the list of world's top 15 highest mountain peaks, 5 of them belong to Pakistan. Now coming to the exports. Pakistan produces one of the finest quality cotton in the world. The quality of our rice is unsurpassable. Our garments are taken as a benchmark. Over the last 30 years, all the World Cup footballs were made in Sialkot, Pakistan. We're also the world's #1 producer and exporter of the best quality footballs. Sialkot makes nearly half of the world's soccer balls. Not only this, but we produce the finest leather garments. Pakistan is one of the top surgical instrument exporters in the world. Our mangoes are high in demand all over the world and are considered as a souvenir. We're one of the few countries that manufacture high-tech fighter aircrafts, missiles and tanks. And this, my dear friends, is a very small amount of information that I've shared with you guys. There's so much more to the positive side of Pakistan. So this all made me think of why and how can people think so negative about us. Maybe this is how we're portrayed, but this is not us. We are a nation of peace and harmony. We respect all the religions. We have churches, temples, mosques in the same cities. Now we do know that not every one of us gets to live the highest of standards, just like any other country. But everyone living in Pakistan is content, because the religion we follow in Pakistan teaches us to look below us. I would like to quote, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Look to those below you and not to those above, as it is more suitable to remember the blessings of Allah granted to you." Bukhari and Muslim. So this is what keeps us going and happy in our lives. And now, as I've lived in Pakistan and I know how things here are, I think it's safe to say that Pakistan is not how it's being portrayed. I don't know how big of an impact this video is gonna have on you guys, but I wish this clears a lot of your people's minds. Now here's a very proud Pakistani signing off. Thank you guys for watching. Allah Hafiz.